Welcome back everybody. There is a good probability that Bitcoin might crash this week, okay? First of all, we're looking on the daily chart. Look what Bitcoin is doing, guys. It's doing a head and shoulders, okay? We got the left shoulder, that's the head, and that's the right shoulder, okay? This head and shoulder is not classic because the right shoulder is taller than the left, but still, it's a head and shoulder because you can see here, we just broke the neckline. Okay, now if it will continue down, the measured move of this head and shoulder will take Bitcoin, can take Bitcoin all the way to roughly 33K. Okay, now don't be surprised to see it wick to 33K in the coming week. Obviously, I'm gonna buy before that. We have buy orders ready to buy the dip, but this is a very bearish pattern. Okay, if it's gonna break bearish. Now, if it breaks this trend line, okay, you can see we have in a lower high trend line here. So if it make a higher high, this invalidate the head and shoulder. Okay, now this is very similar to what we did back in the days here. Everybody was super bullish when Bitcoin was doing a mega head and shoulders. Okay, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Okay, so it's the same idea: left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. So you wanna be cautious. You wanna play defense when you see these kind of things, because you might gonna get the best financial opportunity of this cycle to load up on Bitcoin at the 35K, 38K range. That will be epic for a deep buy and a long-term accumulation hodl till the end of the cycle. Okay, that could be that. This is a life-changing swing trade coming. Okay, for people that believe we're in a bull market. All right, so definitely watch out, guys. Bitcoin give you a bearish signals all across the boards. You don't want to hold too many altcoins now. Obviously, if you are up in sick profit, you can take profit. You do your own things, but generally you want to have Tether. You want to have USDT, USDC, whatever. You want to have Tether to buy the dip, because that could be massive dip buying opportunity. And also you can see we're getting very bearish signals on the stock market. You can see S&P is breaking bearish here. We just made a new low here on that wick. It's probably going to continue. And the US dollar getting stronger. Okay, when the US dollar getting stronger, you want to watch out and you want to hold a lot of dollars, because when the dollar getting stronger, assets going down, and then you can buy with your dollars much more assets on the dip once it's topping out. And the VIX, look at the VIX, the fear and greed index, the fear index of the stock market. Basically, it looks like it's ready to break out. You can see it's just made a new high above these highs. This is a daily chart, okay, so this looks strong, and we're bouncing today 23% on the volatility of the S&P index. So that could send, all the markets down. You can see what happened every time it bouncing. You get a big sell-off on the markets. Okay, see, that was the May crash, boom. So anyway, guys, put these things on your radar. Have cash ready, and give us a like, subscribe to the channel, okay? Leave a comment down below where you think Bitcoin is going. And if you want to come and trade with us, check out our trading group. First link in the description. Come along, we put in buy orders. We're going to load up all in on Bitcoin on that dip and some other altcoins. See you in the next one. Cheers.